t-shirt, tsaka yung sasayin. Oh! Tsaka yung pinansili mo kasama yung babae mo!
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalaro ngayong gabi.
Galing, intense.
Congrats, it was a different experience.
Hi!
Thank you so much.
2 stories, 2 truths, just 2 days apart. This week, I spent my Thursday and Saturday inside 2 intimate spaces, watching 2 powerful productions that reminded me why stories stay with us long after the lights fade. It wasn't about the city. It wasn't about the venue. It was about the stories and the people brave enough to tell them. On Thursday, I watched Ateng, a 2005 Palangka Award-winning one-act play written by Vincent Nesis, directed by Rem Zamora, and produced by Boy Abunda. Tito Boy. Performed by only 3 actors, Tao Reyes as Kiwi, Ayo Balanon as Juicy, and Kokoy Di Santos in his first ever theater role. This staging turns intimacy into its greatest strength. It's raw, it's humorous, it's filled with heartache, sharp edges, and surprising tenderness. Inside the compact performance space, every gesture feels amplified. Every line hits a little harder, and every moment is shared fully between actor and audience.
Ineng! Kahit sunugin mo ko sa kinukuhan ko ngayon, wala akong pang abono dito sa kuryente na to. Boss, kakalakilak mo ng gluta at kakainin mo ng 35 pills. Kasi ako dito eh. Kung masaya sa boobs mo, fine! Wala naman ang magbabayad sa kainin ng bagang tsaka si Charon. Tapos pag naubos yung dato niya, may gana pa kayong saktan siya. Eh, ang pakapal ng mga mukha ninyo, mga layo pa kayo. Ngayon eh, ang init ng ulan. Ang talagang brown kayo, no? Gusto ko magbalang pa kayo. Dapat talaga pinapakbayan sa mga professionals sa katulad ko. Anong ginagawa mo? Ano nyo ba? Magtraso ko sa'yo! Sa akin wala! Pero sa kapatid ko meron! Ano ang traso ko dyan? Magbayad ka ng utang mo kay Juicy! Wala akong utang dyan! Utang ko sa'yo! Di ba sabi mo pagkakaluwag ka, babayaran mo yung ginastos ko sa'yo, yung pang-internet, tapos yung sa t-shirt, tsaka yung sasayin. Oh! Tsaka yung pinansili mo kasama yung babae mo! Di ba hindi mo? Hindi ka mamamayag!
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalaro ngayong gabi. First time to watch the play. Sinadya ko pong hindi manood ng rehearsals because I wanted to surprise myself. Simple lang po ang mensahe. Tuloy ang laban. Tuloy ang laban.
Kind of spread the word around. We're proud of the play. We're proud of the play. Jason, I.O., Diane, sa lahat. We're looking forward to watching your performance.
Salamat sa inyong suporta. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Parang yung sinasabi na gay love is equal to all forms of human love. At paninindigan ko po yan. At naniniwala po ako na hindi binibili ang pag-ibig. Kaya mahalin po ang isang LGBT person sa basihan ng pag-ibig and love alone. So, what did I do? I didn't expect that it was going to be staged this way. Ako yung iiyak pagkatapos ng play. Salamat.
Thank you, boy.
How's the show?
Sobrang ganda, grabe.
Must watch. Ateng.
Watching Ateng reminded me that not all journeys require miles. Sometimes journeys simply ask us to sit with honesty. It's a story about identity, belonging, and the fragile search for visibility. It asks, how do you fight for space in a world that keeps telling us to shrink? And how brave do we have to be to finally say, this is me, whether you like it or not.
Palabas. The show.
Ateng runs from November 14 to December 7. Tickets are 1,000 pesos via Ticket to Me. And if you've never seen a small character-driven preview before, this is one that will stay with you. And this is what I love about exploring culture. Travel isn't always about new destinations. Sometimes it's about entering a room and allowing a story to shift something inside you.
Okay, let's go.
And 2 nights later, on Saturday, a completely different kind of story unfolded. Saturday brought the performance of Anino sa Likod ng Buwan, an award-winning one-act play written by Juan Robles Landa. It's time to watch Anino. Winner of the 1993 Bulwagang Gantimpala playwriting competition, and it's directed by Tax Patakyo. Like Ateng, this play features only 3 actors, and yet the world they create is heavy, dangerous, intimate. For the closing show, the cast was Dolores Paño as Emma, Ross Pasigan as Nardo, and Edward Binosa as the alternate to Martin Del Rosario.
Nais ko pang tawagin muna ang aming mahal na mandudula, June Robles. Iba pang nagsiganap sa dula, Martin Del Rosario, Vincent Pahara, at Dennis Esteban.
So we're done. We're watching and that's it. Anino sa Likod ng Buwan. We are done watching it. So this is the second play that we watched this week. And this is the closing show for Anino sa Likod ng Buwan. However, kaka-open lang na Ateng. So make sure to watch it as well at Rampa Bar. Very good. Sobrang intense.
Anino sa Likod ng Buwan made me reflect on the shadows we carry, the unspoken fears, the loyalties we question, and the parts of ourselves we hide even from the people closest to us. Travel often draws us toward beauty, but stories like Anino remind us that some important journeys lead into darker, quieter places, because truth often lives where light doesn't reach.
Thank you!
And congratulations again. Thank you.
Hi!
Thank you so much.
Nag-record ako. Kailangan kami na tayong video. May video tayong tatlo.
Ba't hindi?
Ano? Kaya,
Kinunan mo na picture?
video.
Wait lang. Picture na. Hello, sis. Okay. Nag-broken ka na siya.
Can see yourself.
Galing. Galing, intense. Intense eh. Huwag makahinga eh.
Would it be so intense kung
kayo?
May pagka-sexy, may pagka-intense. Yeah.
Thank you. Excited kami sa show niya.
Ay, sana. Kami naman.
Well, congratulations to the whole company of Anino. First time ko mapanood on stage live. I mean, I've seen the film and I've read the script plenty times. So, I know where it was going, pero first time see it on stage live. Kaya congrats, it was a different experience. And props to everybody part of the company. Ako, inimbita ko kayo lahat na bumili na ng ticket at manood ng About Us But Not About Us live on stage sa Power Max Circuit. Makati po yan on Feb 2026 to March 2026. Kita-kits po tayo dun.
In 2 nights, I witnessed 2 award-winning one-act plays, each performed by only 3 actors, and yet each revealing entire universes. One made me laugh and lean in, the other made me sit still and face uncomfortable. And together they reminded me that stories don't have to be big to be powerful. They just have to be honest. I'm Eli Valendes. See you in the next one.